Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency and stocks using Gcash through GStocks and GCrypto. Step 1. Open the Gcash app and tap on GInvest. Step 2. Tap either GStocks PH or GCrypto, depending on what investment that you would like. Step 3. For GStocks, register with your details and complete the onboarding with partner broker AB Capital. Fund your GStocks wallet from GCash and buy local stocks from the Philippine Stock Exchange. For GCrypto, Step 5. Register with your ID and complete KYC. Step 6. Fund your GCrypto wallet and choose from supported coins like BTC, Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum, Sol, and many more. Step 7. Tap the crypto that you want, select buy, and enter the amount and confirm. And that's it. With Gcash, you can now invest in both crypto and stocks easily, all within one app. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.